Okay, my lock from my BMW broke, and as you can see I have a repair kit, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So this is already off, and we gotta take off this spring. So that you put it in here and put your finger right here so it won't pop out. So we take this, there you go. So take the spring out.
That's very old.
And then looks good from the inside, but I might as well replace it with a new one. So you want to take this part out, this part, and if you can match it with the new one. Make sure they look good and they match. So this is the one. So we're going to use this one, and then there's one more. There's one more in here.
Which is a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Put it right here. So take this one off, and then the spring, that one, and then that one. And basically you just got to go backwards, you know, replace them. So that one goes there. And make sure these, there's this and this one, there's 3 little hookies. Make sure it aligns with those 3 right there. So then push it in.
Very deep.
And then this one should align the same way. Okay. There you go. Just like that.
And you put the new spring.
My thing came with the new spring and this piece, but I prefer to use the old one. It's better. So when you put your spring in there, what you're going to do is put your spring in there, and there's a little part of the spring right here. It needs to go on the edge right here of this right here, right there. So goes like that. So now the best way to put this spring, because this part of the spring needs to be like right here on the edge of this thing, and to turn it and put down it's kind of difficult. So the best way to do it is get a pin and then put it in there, and with the pin you can actually turn it and go down just like that.
Make sure you hear a pop though.
Yeah, it doesn't really have to pop. And then you put this part, and this is what actually broke on mine. It's a lock that holds this thing in place. So you need to press down.
It wasn't struggle something.
This should go in there. Oh. It's actually harder than it looks.
It's easy to take out, harder to put it back in.
And then there you go. So mine was missing the pin. There's a pin that goes here to hold this lock in place. The kit does come with the one. Now all I have to do is
Dip it in the little hole.
just put it in the little hole You just tap it a little bit.
With a hammer.
Okay, just like that. Now you want to cut it off, probably about right here. Have it aligned to the edge of this. It's not sticking that much, but it actually looks fine like that.
That's a hammer. You're gonna break it too.
There you go. And then okay. Then we get your key, and let's try it out. There you go.
It's all fixed.
It is working, as you can see.
And then
It goes both ways. Perfect. And that's how you fix your E46 BMW lock, so you don't have to buy a new one, and it's fixed. We just install it in the car and test it out then. And now we just gotta put it back in here in the lock, if it wants to. There it goes.
Yep, it's in there. All we need is a screwdriver to screw this part.
You gotta make sure it's all the way in, and then that bolt right there is the one that's gonna screw it back in there. You're just gonna make sure it's all aligned and perfectly. Okay, once you're done, you put this plastic piece back on. Pretty much put everything back on. That,
Big piece.
and then this one.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
So your lock's here. You take this piece off to get the bolt that was in there, to take this out, and then everything I said backwards. And that's it. We're done. Sorry, my car's a little dirty. It's kind of humid out here. But if this thing does break, don't worry about it. Just put your key in there, turn it, and leave it like this, and it brings every window down, even your sunroof. It opens your sunroof.